Good day everyone, welcome back to another episode of Now That Is Dope. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hohem iSteady V3 Gimbal. This is an AI tracking smart gimbal that I use a lot whenever I want to get that nice steady shot. This has a lot of built-in features, so let's dive on in and see what makes this gimbal so dope. First off, you get this nice carry case, nice material, nice orange accent, great to carry around the gimbal in right here. You have your owner's manual, instruction manual right here. Simple, easy to read, simple to use, very straightforward. You can scan this if you want to download the app and also to join the Facebook group. But most importantly, versus all of that, is this right here. And this is the gimbal right here. As you can see, has a nice matte black finish with orange accents. It's extremely compact. You can literally fit this in your back pocket. You can fit this in your bag. Very easy to travel with. But let's dive on in as to what makes this so dope. First off, it does recharge via USB-C. So you could recharge it right here. Super cool. What's also super cool about this is that you don't need to walk around with a tripod. Because guess what this has? A built-in tripod. Very convenient, very easy to use, nice built-in, well-integrated design. If you do want to attach a particular tripod, you do also have a screw attachment to install whatever tripod device you want. But it's good that this has a built-in tripod. So that's the first cool piece of tech. If you can't get that shot because of something blocking you, what's super good about this has a built-in selfie stick. So let's say you're trying to get a high shot and something is blocking you, you simply pull the selfie stick out and you could easily get that shot. You could also adjust the neck, the angle of the neck, because of this adjustment feature built into the actual selfie stick. So as a second cool feature, you have your tripod and you have your built-in selfie stick. All right, so far we're off to an amazing start, right? We have tripods, we have selfie sticks. What else we need? All right, we have a built-in remote. So from this remote, you're able to control the actual gimbal. You can turn the gimbal on and you can turn the gimbal off with this actual remote. You can control all the different modes. You could even control how the gimbal operates. You could pause and play. You could even hit record and actually control all of the actual features of the gimbal right off of here. This remote also doubles as a screen for the gimbal. So once the gimbal is on, you could see all of your different controls and different features all right here. So this is how you control the gimbal, either with the remote attached or detached. You could see you have full control of the angle of the head, and you have different control with respect to the operation of the actual gimbal, all built into right here. What's another cool feature about this gimbal is that you have this right here. This is a light. So the control for the light is right over here, this orange button right here. You press and hold for 2 seconds, it turns the light on. This light has multiple different colors. So right now we have a slightish white. You double tap, you have a very clear crystal white. You double tap once more, and now you have a yellow light. You could even turn the brightness up to get that nice well-lit shot regardless of what you're doing, simply by rolling the control right here up and down to get that nice brightness of the light however you want to. So it's all integrated right here. This light also features or doubles as an AI tracker. So yes, this gimbal has built-in AI tracking. So let me turn the light off. So to activate the AI tracker, you have 2 different hand signals you could do. The first one is to activate it, which looks like this. So as you can see, the green light is on. So regardless of where I go, this gimbal is going to track me. If I go left, if I go right, this gimbal tracks me. To stop it, I give it this signal, and now the gimbal stops tracking me. So once the gimbal stops tracking me, this light turns red. That's how you activate the stop tracking feature. As I said, very great feature because this frees you up from having to use the remote, you could actually use your two hands and have the gimbal track you. So again, to activate, you give it a signal, the green light comes on. Wherever I go, the gimbal is going to track me. Once I'm done, give it a signal again. Come on. So I give it a signal, and now it stops tracking me. To turn the gimbal off, I simply press and hold the button on the side, and it turns all the way off. The tripod slides back in, and once I'm done, simply turn, twist, and it locks back into place simply and easily, just like that. So again, this is probably one of the best universal, all well-rounded smart gimbals you could possibly buy, with the built-in tripod, with the built-in selfie stick, with the AI tracker, with the built-in light, with the built-in remote. What more you could ask for from a gimbal? So again, this is a Hohem iSteady V3 smart gimbal. Now that's dope.